Good morning. My name is Chaz, and I am an engineering student here at HAC. I earned an associate's degree in business administration from Kalamazoo Valley Community College when I lived back in Michigan. I decided to go back to college and start taking classes at HAC after I had a concussion back in 2017 and was having some cognitive issues. I am a bridge construction inspector and roadway construction inspector, so that's what I do for a living. A couple of interesting things about me: I'm an avid disc golfer. My wife and I are disc golf promoters as well. We've run 3 world championships over the last 13 years. I am currently the state coordinator for the Professional Disc Golf Association for the state of Pennsylvania, and I am an ambassador for Innova Champion Discs. So if you guys are interested in disc golf at all, please reach out to me and I'd be happy to share some information and take you out and give you a lesson if you want to give it a try. I also collect Breweriana. I've been collecting old beer bottles for 42 years now, and I have a Facebook page and a website that I've been working on during the pandemic. Been having a good time doing that, and hopefully once the pandemic's over, I can have people come back and start touring the museum. So if you're interested in old beer bottles and you want to see something interesting, you're welcome to come over after the pandemic is over. Well, I'm looking forward to the semester. I think that it's going to be real interesting. I'm liking the subject matter so far. So thank you very much.